In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Customizer and talk about how to change the look of your WordPress site. WordPress uses themes to determine the overall design of a site, including the layout, colors, and typography. Now, there are thousands of themes to choose from, enabling you to build just about any type of site you can imagine, from a personal blog to a business site or even e-commerce. Our demo site is using the current default WordPress theme called 2019, which is ideal for creating a business site or a simple blog. The Customizer enables you to make changes to your site's appearance and preview those changes before publishing them. On the right-hand side is a live preview of your site with the current theme and settings applied. And as you make changes to the options on the left-hand side, the preview will update in real time. Click the Edit icon next to any item in the preview to edit that particular item. The top of the Customizer indicates the name of the active theme. Click the Change button to view other themes that are currently installed on your site. You can view a live preview of how your content would look in any of these themes. You can also browse themes from the WordPress.org theme directory. For example, I'll search for themes that are compatible with the new block editor. And you can filter themes by subject matter, specific features, or layout options. When you find a theme you like, you can install and preview that theme with a click. Now, the options that are available in the Customizer will vary, depending on the features supported by your current theme, but most themes today include these basic Customizer controls. Site Identity enables you to upload a logo, which will appear next to the site title and tagline. You can also edit your site's title or change the tagline, and you'll see those changes in real time. You can also upload or select a site icon, which is what you see in browser tabs or bookmark bars in your web browser. And you can edit the color scheme used throughout your site. Now, we're currently using the default color scheme, but if you prefer, we can choose a custom color, which will be used in buttons and links, but also for the overlay filter that's used in featured images. Just drag the slider to choose any color you want. Or, if you prefer, you can remove the color filter altogether and just use a simple overlay for featured images. I think I'll stick with the default colors for now. Next, you can manage the site navigation menu and other menus that appear throughout your site. Now, we covered this in depth in an earlier video. And we also covered how to add and edit widgets. And in the previous video, we talked about how to use a static home page as the front page of your site, rather than showing your blog posts. Additional CSS allows you to add your own CSS code to customize the appearance of your site, overriding the styles that are set by your theme. I'll show you what I mean by entering some simple CSS code to change the tagline of our site to italics, and then to reduce the opacity slightly. You can learn more about what's possible with CSS from the link at the top. At the very bottom of the Customizer, you'll find links to preview what your site will look like on desktop computers, tablets, or even on mobile devices. And of course, you can temporarily hide the controls to preview what your site will look like at full width. When you're happy with your changes, click the Publish button at the top. Or click the tiny gear icon to reveal some other options, including saving your changes as a draft that you can share with others before applying your changes to your live site. Or you can schedule your changes to be applied automatically at a future date and time. And of course, you can discard your changes at any time. To exit the Customizer, simply click the X in the top left-hand corner. As you can see, the Customizer makes it really easy to personalize your site to make it completely unique.